We've just spent a few blissful days testing the future of motoring, and now it's time to share the highlights on Tesla's wonder car, the Model 3. Though the Model 3 starts at $35,000, the long-range edition, which is all you can buy right now, actually starts at $44,000. For your $44,000, you get 310 miles of range on a single charge. That's a boost of 90 over the base car's 220 miles. The Model 3 is a really nice car to drive. It's quick enough to be fun, agile enough to be engaging, and comfortable enough for longer drives. The main interface is a 15-inch display in the center of the dashboard. And that's about it. There's not even a gauge cluster. Sadly, the interface right now is a bit of a hot mess. You'll constantly be tapping and swiping on that 15-inch display, a little too often for our tastes. Those are the highlights, but there's so much more to find out about the Model 3, so make sure you check out our full review over at theroadshow.com.